Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So this will be the first episode of my grocery haul vlog. So I'll be taking you guys around the city with me while I shop for my family of 7, including me and my husband and our 5 children. The goal today is probably to go to Sam's, because since we're a big family, we buy in bulk. Go to Sam's, then go to either Winn-Dixie or Publix. I'm still kind of unsure of which one yet, and definitely go to Walmart. So that's my goal. So right now I'm going to go ahead and head over to Sam's, and I'm going to take you guys into my world of shopping. Y'all, before I go any further, I got to get me some Chick-fil-A. I'm so freaking hungry. I know you're like, please put your seatbelt on. My sister be like, girl, put on your seatbelt. The ding, 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 the ding is going off. Yeah. Yes, if you don't have Chick-fil-A in your life, I don't know what you're doing. So I just made it to Sam's. I'm about to go in here and get me a pallet jack, because last time I had got a cart, don't fuck with all up in my cart. Like, I'm like, oh, get out of my business. I know y'all like, well, shoot, putting this on YouTube is in y'all. It's different for y'all because y'all family, okay? I don't know these folk up in here. Be looking at my cart. I'm talking about she was damn near in the cart. Like, child, people be all up in your business when you be out here, child. Oof, let your cart be over the rim. They just, oh my God, look at all those groceries. Oh my God, how many kitchens you have? Oh my God, who is she trying to feed the world? My family. Mind your business. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be picking up is some dog food, $23. So this is the alkaline water that I pick up. I'm probably pick up like 2 cases. They are, what, $9.98? How much is this? $9.98. Let's pour out one of those too for the kids. My husband likes these turkey sausages, so I'm gonna grab some of these. And they're on sale for like $8.98. 2. Yeah, so I picked up some Swagger teas and some waffles, because the kids like waffles like a snack. And so this is what I got in the cart so far. I have my cheese, my bacon, some eggs, my paper towels, dog food, some juice, some waffles, some water. I'm gonna get 2 of these, at least for now. They probably gonna go through it, but oh, we gotta have some Riley fries. $7 too. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the meats, where I'm gonna pick up some I'm gonna pick up some of these chicken nuggets, chicken tenders, and some wings. I'm gonna grab 2 of these so I don't come at the store. I picked up some bananas and 2 bags of chicken wings and 2 bags of chicken tenders. Now I'm about to head over to the snacks section. Definitely got to pick up some instant grits, because who's going to be trying to make a bunch of grits? I picked up this last time and it's still sitting up under my center island. So I'm going to pick up these instant grits for the kids, for something quick for them to eat in the morning. Definitely some Pop-Tarts. And she do like Rice Krispie treats, so I might as well just grab some Rice Krispie treats too. It's a little more quieter over here than being over by the freezer, so I'm not trying to talk too loud because I don't want anybody in my business, like I was saying before. But I have to try to stack this right, but this is what I'm looking like so far, child. And I still have 2 other stores to go to. I'm over at the cereal. Let's see. My daughter loves Fruit Loops, but I think I'm gonna get my cereal from Walmart, because the bags is easier to manage for me. You know, you gotta have your complete seasoning, for sure, for sure. I don't want the fine garlic powder. that's all I need. Any other season I'll just probably get from Walmart or the other. But those are the main seasons that I use. So since they don't have the Pampers that I typically would get for my babies, I'm not going to be getting Pampers from here. But this is the end result of my cart. Now I'm going to go into my Sam's app, scan it all, and let you know exactly what my total ended up being. I actually forgot to come over to the snack section. So they have oatmeal pies. I'm going to pick up a box of those. I got to remember, because I just scanned everything into my app. I just got to remember to scan the snacks in there now. They love these powdered donuts, okay? I know I'm going to get them little looks and stuff when I leave, but I don't care, honey. Stay out my cart. I done had this talk before I walked up in here. So I have the chip aisle. Now I got these last time. I don't think in the Sun Chips. I think I'm gonna switch it up this time and get, I know the 30 bags is smaller and the 50 bags is bigger. So I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. This is Premier Mix. My total for everything was $513.83 for everything in this cart. Oh, child, I was able to jigsaw all this stuff in the back of the car and in the trunk. Now I got to go home, drop all this stuff off, and on to the next store. I am almost to the house to drop this groceries off and I decided I'm going to go ahead and head to Winn-Dixie. If I have to go to Walmart, I will surely go, but I think I'm going to go to Winn-Dixie to take advantage of those BOGOs. Okay, so this is all the food that I brought in from my Sam's haul, and now I have to put all the frozen stuff away. I'm gonna leave the non-perishables on top of the table until I get back home. I'm gonna just put the stuff that belongs in the freezer in the freezer. I do have a refrigerator here, and I do have a deep freezer in the laundry room, and I have another refrigerator on the other side of the house. So I have plenty of space to store all this stuff. Yeah, I'm out of breath trying to bring all this stuff in by myself, but the kids are at school, my husband at work. Got to do it by myself. So let me put this stuff up and then I'm gonna head on to the next store. Okay, you guys, I have made it to Winn-Dixie. So I'm about to find a park and show you guys what I'm about to grab. My husband loves these right here, these mango chunks. So I'm gonna grab probably about 3 of these. I did get some bananas from Sam's, but I'm gonna go ahead and just grab some more since these are yellow. The other ones I picked up at Sam's were green, so I know the kids gonna wanna eat some bananas like right now. Pick up some red potatoes, so when I do like pot roast and stuff. Gotta have some baby spinach. Ain't nothing like some baby spinach, especially with some pasta. I had to remember to pick up some heavy whipping cream so I can make me some spinach pasta. I'm gonna pick up a little thing of carrots to go with my pot roast. Since they're on sale for like 2 for $3, I'm gonna pick up 2. These bags must have got smaller. I actually forgot to pick up a red velvet cheesecake from Sam's, which he loves, so I might pick up a cheesecake. These look good. For $10, I'm gonna grab 2 eggs. How much are these? 15. I'm gonna grab 3 of these. Now our family does both ground turkey and ground beef, so I think I'm gonna grab 2 of each. 2 ground turkeys on sale for $8.99. So we can make some hamburgers. Oh Jesus, 27. Let's just get the rump roast, child. I need to pick them up some juice, so they won't be drinking all my juice. Yeah, you know what? I forgot to pick her up some Capri Suns. Oh my goodness, but it's okay because I'm gonna pick it up from here. I know you get a better deal at Sam's, but I'm just picking up some juice from here. So I think I'm gonna grab 2 of these Capri Suns and then some of this juice for the kids. The Czech sodas are on sale for 3 for $13, so I'm gonna grab 3 of these for the kids. I don't drink soda, but I'm gonna grab the soda for them. But I think I'm gonna grab them fruit punch, and I'm gonna still do cream soda because they like cream soda already. But I need to grab some nachos because I like to do tacos. I love tacos. So I need to pick up some of that cheese dip, which is all the way down here. I haven't passed it. I like the scoops. I like to scoop up my meats. Okay, so I should have grabbed it from Sam's. I don't know why I don't be thinking. Look, I was not thinking about the stuff at Sam's, like the chips and stuff. I guess as I'm saying it, now I need to grab it, and then I'm gonna get one of these. These two right here. So Mama likes popcorn, so I'm gonna grab her some popcorn. The music is pretty loud in here, so I hope you guys can hear me. What about cookies? Cookies. I haven't bought no cookies in a minute. Cookies gonna be good as some ice cream. Nah, don't be sleeping on these cookies right here, boy. These is what I grew up on, okay? I might grab some. Nah, might bring me back. Sure. Ain't nothing wrong with, ain't nothing wrong with getting, you don't have to get name brand everything. I don't get name brand everything. Sometimes I get SE Grocers, and then I get Members Mark, and I get the Walmart brand, Great Value. Ain't nothing wrong with those brands. Everything don't have to be name brand. Ooh, now these right here. Remember you used to eat these off your fingers? Like it was a ring. These are good right here. I might have to get two of these. 2.99. And there they go, the vanillas. Oh, these are my favorite too, the oatmeal ones. Oh, with the frosted. Boy, I tell you. He likes the chewies. He's the chewy cookies. And it's 2 for $8, so I'm gonna grab him too. He might want to share with the kids, he might not, who knows. But I'm gonna grab 2 just in case. Mama and Zari love the goldfishes, so I'm going to pick up the big one so I can put them in Ziploc bags for them to carry around the house. So I'm still gonna have to go to Walmart anyway because they like the bag cereal. And I don't know why Winn-Dixie don't have like a big selection of bag cereal. This is pretty much all they have. So I'm definitely gonna have to stop by Walmart and get the bag cereal. Let me pick up some of these little fruit snacks. I forgot to pick this. See, all this stuff is coming to me. I'm so used to doing Instacart and taking my time shopping, but now that I'm out here, it's like all the stuff that I would normally buy is going past my mind. Rancher, and then they have this one. I'm gonna get this for the big kids. Ever since I had my little babies, my big kids be acting like they babies and be wanting everything my little babies want. They all my babies though. So Paw Patrol. Yes, these are so messy, but I like them. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. I'm gonna have to hide these. These going in the room. So ice cream. I'm gonna grab the ice cream last before I leave. And so we're gonna skip on past the ice cream because they love ice cream too. You can get $10 off your first 3 orders and 55. Can't forget the fruit aisle. So let me see. I'm gonna grab 2 of these of each. I should have grabbed this from Sam's. But I'm just grabbing from here. So 2 mandarins, oranges, and 2 peaches. Grab some hot cocoa for Jeremiah because he likes hot cocoa. I tried the white chocolate, it wasn't that good. I'm gonna grab about 3 of these. They like soft tacos. If you like soft tacos, ew. No, I'm just playing. I like soft tacos too, but I'm more of a hard shell and nachos. But I'm gonna grab that for them. 167. I know, I'm halfway done. She's probably gonna be like, I want to say 400 maybe. Maybe 400. 450. You got $2 on there. You want to use it? Yeah, you can. Every little penny counts, I guess. Okay, so this is all the groceries that I did get out of Winn-Dixie. So now I head to Walmart. I really don't have a lot to get from Walmart, so I'll probably spend like another $100 and $150 at Walmart. I don't like Walmart, but I got to go. Made it to Walmart. Everyday low prices, they say. I need to hurry up and get this run done because my husband gonna call me and interrupt this video. I already know him. He's about to just get off work, so let me go ahead and head over this one. Oh no, ma'am, we not doing that. Not no squeaky ass cart. Oh, that's better. Oh, that must have been a sign. Turn around, turn back, turn back. A squeaky ass cart, boy. Walmart, Walmart. Ain't nothing wrong with Walmart. I used to work for Walmart, so I'm not too against Walmart. If my husband with me, he'll be in dog heaven because he loves the bakery, honey. Let's pick up some cookies. I know I picked up enough cookies, but you can never have enough cookies. Yeah, I did pick up some salmon, like 2 of them. And then he likes these. I don't like these cookies, but he likes them. These cookies right here. So I think I'm gonna pick him up the white ones. Oh my goodness, I have never seen no red velvet Oreo cookie though. Ooh. Let's grab 3, shoot. I know I'm on a budget in here, but I ain't never seen it. Strawberry Double M&Ms. Would you like the strawberry? I don't know. I usually get the original. Pick up one of these. Mr. Biscuits. Bagels. I'm gonna get one because the last one I did get expired. So I'm gonna finish my shopping and then I'll show you my cart once I check out and get to the register because my husband's calling me.
Oh, cheese cake. Oh, I've seen it.
I still have more to bring in. The kids are still bringing more in, but this is from Winn-Dixie and Walmart.
Look.
So for the Walmart haul, I spent around like $260. So a total between Winn-Dixie, Sam's, and Walmart, I spent right at $1,000. But if you guys enjoyed my grocery haul and you would like to see more of my grocery hauls for a family of 7, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. It's free to you. I'm going to pin a comment and just go ahead and just leave me some, show me some love and leave a comment down below. But I'll talk to you guys in my next video.